In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your phone screen and how to see everything. This is my first phone and this is my second phone. So I can see this phone screen in this phone. Let me show you. If I do that time in there, I can also see this. If I go to WhatsApp, let me show you. You can see every kinds of message available in this phone. And if I go to Facebook, let me show you. And it's also available, okay? And every single thing you can see. Just go to gallery. All pictures will be available in here. And you can also share your video files. Let me go to MX Player with audio sound also, okay? So if I play some video, let me go to this one, and if I play this video, and today I'm going to show you. So you can see I can listen from this phone also. So this is really amazing features from Android phone. I mean, you can control your phone screen and you can also share your phone screen. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me tell you that this is my second phone and this is my first phone. So I will share this phone screen in this second phone. So for now, you will need to go to Play Store in your both phone. And after that, you need to download one application, which is this one. Just you need to install this application, which is, so now again go there. And also you need to install this same application in your both phone, and you can read what's about it. You can see about this app, control phone from PC, mirror phone to phone, screen mirroring. So there is everything you can read, okay? So after installing this application, just click here open option and then click here skip, then agree, and again also open this application in your this phone, then skip, then I agree, and right now you need to click here me, this option in also this phone me, and after that you need to click here settings, then also settings in there. So mirror resolution, so you can select 180p if you want better resolution, and after that mirroring definition HD, ultra HD, okay? And then scroll down, okay, it's didn't support, so whatever, just scroll down, and there you can see phone control mode. So you need to select here touch, so that with your finger you can control it. And after that you can see mirror mode presentation, okay, it's, and there are another thing which is cached audio, so system audio. So you can choose either microphone audio and either system audio, okay? So after doing all this thing, just select here, okay, phone control mode, just select here task, and after that just get back from here, again get back from here, then click here cast this option, and again click here cast in your other phone, and you can select here cast, okay? And let me show you. So you can see there are device available, so you can click it, and if you don't find it that time, just you can see there is a scan option. So let me click this one and then select here while using the app, and after that my local cast air cast code, just select this one, and then you will see your QR code in here, and again in this phone just select here, and then while using the app and after that you need to scan this QR code from your this phone. So select while using the app, and then a single app, so select this one, then select your entire screen, and then select your start. So it's done, you can see. So let me minimize this application, and you can see I can see every single thing. I can go to WhatsApp in this phone, and also I can go to YouTube, Imo, everywhere I can go, okay, and I can see everything. So if you want to stop it, that time you can select there this power icon, and after that you can click here disconnect, and right now your phone will be disconnect. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can share your phone screen easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.